All right, it is Indy, and I'm coming to show you the competition in the garage. Let me introduce you first to my baby. All black, custom Batman edition, carbon fiber, tuned, CPU. It has the side exhaust, custom rubber top. So yeah, here's a good view of it. You've seen my bike. We have a red 2022 Honda CBR 150, just stock. So yeah, that's what you pretty much get stock. 1 year newer than mine. And then you have the Royal Enfield. This is my friend's. He has this thing lifted. He has a custom exhaust and computer just put on it. It has saddlebags, and yeah, it's pretty much a beast. So out of all these bikes, my baby, looking beautiful. All black. It obviously goes with my Batman attire, you know. So you can't be Batman without it, right? So there we go. Or we have the red one. It is just 1 year newer. The only difference is it has ABS, which is this right here. Automatic brake, anti-lock brake, anti-lock brake system, which mine does not have. And then my friend, look at this new exhaust he put on it. So yeah, this is a all custom new exhaust. He did the whole thing professionally done. CPU, he connected the tuner to his battery. He lifted the bike. Now look how high this thing sits up. Now, of course, it's on its kickstand, but this is a very high, very, high-sitting bike made for off-roading. But yeah, it is very cool. Royal Enfield Himalayan has saddlebags, all kinds of off-roading kind of capabilities. So, different kinds of riders. You got, the casual. I asked her, why does she ride this? She says that she does it for her leg muscles. So her leg muscles are the reason that she chooses to ride a CBR. Okay, then you have me, which is about racing. All about the race. All about the race. All about the performance, hitting the curves, not being scared. Not being scared to hit a curve going 80 miles per hour. And then you have my friend who is about going off-road and touring. You can see he has a pretty big chain. It's like a Z1000 chain, pretty much the same as mine. It is a 400cc bike, so yeah, nice custom. I don't want to touch his bike, but nice custom seats, and yeah, this thing could be really decked out for long distance traveling. So yeah, let's go take a look at it. Yeah, so he has a beautiful motorcycle. I'm really happy for him. And of course you have carpet in mine, which let's all admit, does it get better than mine? Anyways, I'm getting ready to go for a ride up to the mountains. We're gonna go do some racing. It's my day off today, so yeah, we're gonna go do some racing. Let's get on this bad boy here. Start her up, Captain. You hear that sound, right? And say goodbye to these two here. And wish me luck. Time to get some racing in. Gear is set. Locked and loaded.